In this video, let us continue to solve more problems based on complex numbers. Alright, here we've got a question which reads like this. It says, express the following in the form of a plus ib. And what we have to express in the form of a plus ib is 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. So this is of the form a plus b the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, which I will be writing here for your reference, but otherwise I would prefer that you know it by now. This is a pretty basic algebraic identity. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times of a plus b. Alright, so a is 1 by 3 and b is 3i. So we just have to substitute it in the formula. So we have alright, now let us see what's the next step. We have 1 by 3 whole cube. Just substitute the values in this formula. 1 by 3 the whole cube plus 3i the whole cube plus 3 times 1 by 3 times 3i times 1 by 3 plus 3i. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled here right away. And here 1 by 3 the whole cube is 1 by 27 plus 3i the whole cube is 27i cube plus 3i times 1 by 3 is just I, because when you multiply 3i and 1 by 3, 3 and 3 gets cancelled and you've got I plus 3i times 3i, which is 9i square. And we know that I cube is minus I, so 1 by 27 minus I times 27 is minus 27i plus I, and we know that I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. So solving this, we have 1 by 27 minus 9 is well, taking LCM and all those things, I'll just solve it here quickly. 1 by 27 minus 9. So make this a fraction, divided by 1, take LCM, and what you get is into 27, so 9 times 27. So you get, after solving this, it is minus 242 divided by 27. So you have minus 242 divided by 27, minus 27i plus I is minus 26i. So this is of the form a plus ib. Well, you don't have to write I before the number, but as I pointed it out a number of times in the previous video, it's just written like this. So it's minus 242 divided by 27 minus 26i is what is required after solving this to show it in the form of a plus ib. Alright, so that ends this problem. Let's quickly solve another problem. Alright, we have another problem which we have to express in the form of a plus ib. It is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. We did a plus b the whole cube. Here it is a minus b the whole cube. So you actually don't have to break your head as to, what is a minus b the whole cube. We know what is a plus b the whole cube. You can still use a plus b the whole cube. All that you have to do is when you substitute the value in the place of b, include the negative sign as well. That's all you have to do. So we have 5 cube plus minus 3i the whole cube plus 3 times 5 times minus 3i times 5 minus 3i. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is just substitute the negative sign as well in the place of b. So yeah, now let's continue solving. 5 cube is 125. 3 cube is a 27. Negative cube is also negative, so minus 27i cube. And plus into minus is minus. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45 times I times 5 minus 3i. And 125 I cube is minus I, so minus into minus is plus, so it becomes plus 27i. And minus 45i into 5 is 225, so 225i, and minus into minus is plus, and 45 times 3 is 135, so 135i times I is I square, so it is 135i square. So now we have 125 plus 27i minus 225i is minus 198i, and I square is negative 1, so negative into positive is negative, so it's minus 135. 125 minus 135 is minus 10, minus 198i. So minus 10 minus 198i is the required answer when we express 5 minus 3i the whole cube in the form of a plus ib. Alright, so that ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on complex numbers.